Alright, y'all. Sorry I haven't been posting. Been real busy, ain't been working on the truck much. Did work on it a little bit. Got it all back together. It fired all off right away, but this happened. So that meant, to figure that out, I knew it wasn't the engine because it did not make that noise when I took it out. So I knew something was hitting at the transmission, the flex plate converter. Something was going on around in there. So I had to pull the tranny out to figure it out. I did pull it out. I took the separator plate out, which is really just a shim and a spacer for the, to get your converter and the pump correctly and to line up your starter. I've ran without those before, so I took it out just to make sure to eliminate that. And so I took it out, bolted the tranny back together, fired it up, and the noise went away. So therefore, something was, I don't know if that thing got bent a little bit or something was hitting it. So I got it all back together, and now it sounds like this. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get this thing fired up, see what happens. Come on, no noise, no noise. Burn some stuff off of there. So now it's back to the grind, man, getting this thing rolling. I got plans for this weekend, so I can't really get it rolling this weekend, but I think a good day's work, I'll have this thing back on the street. Hey, thanks for watching. Any comments, any questions, leave them down below. Well, you know the routine. Y'all have a nice day.